Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Kalyani. Today our topic equations. Let's find this simple equations. In this board I am giving to the equations. Here this equation having variables. Here p and here y and third one is x. Now let's see here first one. See here first one. What is it? 8p minus 5 divided by 7p plus 1 equal to 2 by 4. Now let's see here in this equations LHS and RHS. LHS equal to what is this 8p minus 5 divided by 7p plus 1. Okay, next RHS equal to 2 by 4. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Let's find RHS value 1 by 2. Now let's see here in given that value. Given that what is this 8p minus 5 divided by 7p plus 1 equal to here RHS value 1 by 2. That's why I am writing here 1 by 2. Now here cross multiplication 8p minus 5 here 2 divided this side comes into, that's why here 2 into 8p minus 5 equal to 1 into 7p plus 1. Okay, now let's see here this find 2 8s are 16p minus 2 5s are 10 equal to 1 7s are 7p plus 1 1s are 1. Now let's see here p terms, here p terms, right one side 16p here plus 7p. Now comes this side minus 7p equal to here plus 1, here minus means then goes to this place plus 10. 6p shall drop here rough 6p minus 7p. What is this? Here 9p. Okay, 9p equal to 1 plus 10 11, then p equal to 11. Here multiply with 9, multiply with p, then goes to RHS, that's why here dividing. Therefore p equal to 11 by 9. Okay, it is the value of this simple equation, value of p equal to 11 by 9. It is completed. Now let's see here second one. It is the first one is completed. Now let's see second one. Second one, what is this second one? Here see, this is the second one. 7y plus 2 divided by 5 equal to 6y minus 5 divided by 11. Now let's see here denominator LHS, here also denominator, here y, here also y. Then here let's find LHS equal to 7y plus 2 divided by 5 and RHS equal to 6y minus 5 divided by 11. It is the LHS and RHS. Now let's see here in given that value. What is that equation? 7y plus 2 divided by 5 equal to 6y minus 5 divided by 11. Okay, it is the given that equation. Now let's see here cross multiplication. Here division, here also division. Then RHS value comes with the LHS, LHS value goes to with the RHS. Now here dividing, then comes to multiply. 11 7y plus 2 equal to 5. Here division, then goes to RHS, then multiply. 5 into 6y minus 5. Okay. Now let's see here 11 7s are 77y plus 11 2s are 22 equal to next 5 6 are 30 y minus minus 5 5 is 25. Okay, here 77y, here 77y, next here plus 30, then comes with the LHS say minus 30 equal to minus 25 minus 25, then here plus 22, then goes to this side minus 22. Okay, now let's see here rough. In this step, rough of 77y minus, what is this value? 30. Okay, now let's see here y. 7 minus 0, 7. 7 minus 3, 4. It is the 47. 47y equal to minus 22 minus 25 minus 22. Add both. Okay, here plus into minus plus, here 5 plus 2 7, 2 plus 2 4. It is the 47. Value of 47 minus 25 minus 22, you add with both, comes with the number 47. Next here y equal to, here multiplying, then goes to this place, division. I am writing here division. Now let's see here, it is the y value. Numerator and denominator will be same, that's why it is cancelled. Okay, it is y equal to 1. Therefore, y equal to 1. It is in this equation, y value comes with 1. Okay, now let's see here, it is the second one is completed. Now let's see here third one. Third one, what is the third one? 2x minus 3 divided by 3x plus 2 equal to minus 2 by 3. It is the value of equation. Now let's see here, it is LHS value. What is this? LHS equal to 2x minus 3 divided by 3x plus 2. It is the LHS value. Now let's see here RHS. RHS equal to minus 2 by 3. Okay. Now let's see here LHS and RHS value. Given that value, what is this? Given that value, given that 2x minus 3 divided by 3x plus 2. This step, given that value, equation minus 2 by 3. It is the given that value. Let's cross multiplication. It is division. Here also division. Then here comes with the, here multiplied, here divided. Okay, 3 into 2x minus 3 equal to minus 2 into 3x plus 2. Okay, now let's see here 2 into 2x, 3 into 2x, 3 2 is 6, x, 3 into 2, x, 3 into 2, x, okay, 6x, 3 3 is 9. Now let's see here minus 2 into 3, minus 2 into 3, minus 6, x, minus into minus plus, okay, 2 2 is 4. Now let's see here 6x plus, here 6x, here plus minus 6x, then comes to this place plus 6x equal to plus 4, here having plus 9, then goes to RHS minus 9. Okay, 6x, then roughly here 6x plus 6x, x, 6 plus 6, 12. Okay, 12x. Now let's see here another one, minus 9 plus 4. What is that value? Minus 5. Okay, now let's see here 12x, 12x equal to minus 5. Here 12 multiply with x, then goes to RHS minus 5 by 12. Therefore, x is equal to minus 5 by 12. In this equation, x value minus 5 by 12. Okay. Thank you in this video.